Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this smoothie bowl, acai smoothie bowl thing. This is my first attempt of making a smoothie bowl. It was great. It's super easy, obviously, because you just make a smoothie and then you put toppings on it. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, it was super good. I forgot to film myself eating it because I'm not used to doing cooking videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Alright guys, so starting off, I'm just putting some frozen bananas into my blender. I'm not really doing exact measurements, I'm kind of just eyeballing everything. I'm also putting some more frozen fruit, just a mix that I got from Target actually, of some strawberries, pineapple, mango, and then I'm putting my acai pack, once again from Target. I struggled a little bit with it. It's just like a frozen puree, so that's kind of cool. And then I'm just putting a scoop of my hemp powder. It's like a superfood powder. It gives you fiber, protein, all that good stuff. Put a couple of scoops because I'm making it for a couple of people. And then I'm just putting a scoop of my Vega protein greens mix, the coconut almond I think it is. And then I'm just putting some orange juice. I know it's got a decent amount of sugar, but if I just put water, it tastes really gross. So I'm doing some orange juice, and I think I put a little bit of water as well. And then I'm just gonna go and mix that up after I spill stuff everywhere. I got chunks of fruit all over the floor. Then I realized my blender was not locked, so it's obviously not gonna work like that. And normally I would use my NutriBullet, but I was making a decent amount, so I used our big blender. And it's struggling a little bit. I end up adding some more liquid in there because it was having a pretty hard time. So I had to add some water to help thin that out a little bit. Here I'm just shaking it up, putting it back on here, trying to work with that a little bit, adding some more juice. Like I said, it's hard to make my smoothies nice and thick with this one because it struggles quite a bit. And then finally, it was able to blend everything nice and smooth. So just blending away. And then I'm getting all my toppings ready. So here I have some strawberries. Just gonna go ahead and chop those up. And I don't have an exact method to chopping my strawberries, just however I feel like they'll work best for my purpose that I'm using them for. I was trying to make them decently thin slices to make them nice and pretty. And that's just lipstick on my hand from doing a decluttering video, which is probably already out, so I will link that below. But don't worry, it's not a bruise. It is just lipstick. And then here I am just chopping some banana pretty thinly to put on the top of my smoothie bowl. Here I am just pouring my smoothie into a nice big bowl. I wanted a really wide bowl to try to put all my toppings on there nicely, and I put way too much in this bowl. I ended up feeling so bloated because I had so much liquid in my stomach. So I'm just assembling my bananas on the side there. Feeling really fancy, but it's really not that fancy at all. And then I'm just putting my strawberries on the other side. Just trying to lay them flat, trying not to make them fall down in the smoothie. Then I'm putting some blueberries in here. I absolutely love blueberries. I don't put them in my smoothies a lot, but I love them on their own. And then I'm putting some yummy vanilla granola that I got from Target. This ended up being really yummy. I loved the granola in there. After I ate it down a little bit, I ended up adding more blueberries and more granola because those ended up being my favorite toppings. But here's a final look at it. And it ended up being really yummy, and I ended up making quite a few smoothie bowls that week. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye!